Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can insert a video in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the presentation, in which presentation we want to insert a video, and after that we have to go to the insert section, and after going to the insert section, simply we have to click on the video option here, and after clicking on the video option, now we have to choose that which video you want to add. We have to paste the URL of that video, and after that I'm going to Google Drive. If you have any kind of video on your Google Drive, you can also add that. As you can see, some videos are provided here. For example, I want to add this one, so I'm going to choose this one. You can also add the different one, so I'm going to choose this one, and after that I'm going to click on the insert, and after clicking on the insert, in a few seconds the video will be added. So as you can see, the video is added. Now if you want to reduce the video size, you can also control that. So I'm going to click on this, and let's adjust this video here. As you can see, some editing options are also provided. If you want to mute the audio, and the size and the rotation also provided here, and the position options are also provided here, and the drop shadow is also provided here if you want to add the drop shadow. And these all options are provided here. You can control the text as well. You can write the description, comments as well. So in this way you can insert a video in your Google Slides presentation, which will make your presentations much better and easable and usable. So see you guys in the next video.